Are you looking for the best balance boards? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best balance boards that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. FEZIBO Wooden Wobble Balance Board. FEZIBO's balance board is ergonomically engineered to keep you steady, relax your muscles, and relieve stress. It comes with anti-fatigue foot massage points that keep you focused and relieve foot aches and pains. Hop on this wobble board with any footwear or barefoot, the choice is all yours. It has a non-slip natural rubber base which makes it super easy to use on any surface. Its elastic top is made of high-density latex that helps you to maintain traction. It requires no assembly and is ready to use on the go. It has a convenient carry hole for easy portability. You can use this board at home, at work, or take it to the gym with you to do some plank exercises. Pros: stress reliever, low impact rocker movement, premium natural hardwood. Cons: may not be very durable. Number 2. Yes For All Multifunctional Balance Trainer. Yes For All is a well-known fitness brand, which produces tons of high-quality sports and fitness equipment. One of their most popular products is the Yes For All Balance Board. Yes For All Balance Board Trainer fits all ages and fitness levels. A hardwood balance board with a PEVA surface prevents slipping or falling. You can easily stand on the board barefoot, but shoes with anti-slip soles help provide an even better grip. Bomb-proof construction with 2 added stoppers is designed to help you perform the hardest exercises. You can easily adjust the difficulty of your exercises with 3 different distance options: 11, 16, and 22 inches. With the 1 for beginners. The full set includes a wooden roller, with an anti-slip TPE cover, a rocker, and an air cushion. The roller works great on different types of flooring, including wood, carpet, cork, and concrete. The rocker base is made from high-density foam and is extremely lightweight. And the air cushion is inflatable. With all the features, this is one of the best choices for what it offers. Rocker base and air cushion are easy options and provide much more exercise range. The roller is an advanced option but can be used in physical therapy with good level preparation or under guidance. Pros: good price for a set. Has 3 difficulty levels. Offers a wide variety of exercises. Cons: none. Number 3. Whirly Board Spinning Balance Board. This wooden wobble board by Whirly board features special triple half-sphere technology. This allows you to learn the basic mechanics of spinning and practice complete revolutions on 3 balance points. The balance board is made with high-quality 8-ply Canadian maple and is covered with grip tape. It helps you exercise, improve your agility, and work on balance. It is fun to use and challenging to master. The board adds complexities to your workouts, rehabilitates injuries, helps you practice your board sports skills, and more. You can take this compact wobble board with you to the gym, use it at home, carry it to the office, or take it wherever you go. Key features: portable, effective for all skill levels, full rotation, 3 balance points, high quality. Number 4. FluidStance Standing Desk Balance Board. FluidStance balance board is crafted carefully to offer stability and movement for your body. This balance board lets you do so much at your standing desk. The micro movements are perfect for strengthening your muscles and soothing your stiff joints. It can increase your caloric burn by 19.2% and your heart rate by 15%. It will help you work out your core and glutes by offering a full range of motion. The board is durable, solid, and has a great grip. Its rubber bumpers act as natural stopping points, so you are adequately secured. It is lightweight and compact, and you can easily carry it with you. And that's not all. This board is made of 100% recycled low-emitting tire treads and recycled plastic. This video will give you more insights into the product. Pros: muscle strengthener, soothes stiff joints, wide range of motion. Cons: not very hard for balancing. Number 5. Revolution 101 Roller Balance Board. Roller boards are probably the most common type of board, but not all of them are made of durable materials and easy to use. The Revolution 101 balance board uses a Durasoft grip that's grippy but still comfortable to use with or without shoes. Its composite design is heavy-duty, but also designed to not scratch up your floor when using it. The Revolution 101 can support about 400 pounds. It can be used on any surface, and it's small and lightweight enough to carry with you anywhere. It'll take a little more skill to master this board, compared to the rocker and wobble options, but it'll also benefit you the most once you do, especially if you also regularly participate in sports like surfing, skiing, and so on. The board comes in 3 fun color options: blue, green, and blackout. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.